Hello beautiful people, and welcome to One Piece TV. So today's video is going to be over this beautiful unit. This is from Julia Hair. So I'll have all the specs down below in the description box. I'm sorry I'm stuttering, y'all. I just woke up from a 3-hour nap, unintentional. But let's get into this unit. I went ahead and did a top knot because it's kind of curly, and I'm gonna take it down and let you guys see it down. I didn't layer it or anything, but I did want to do something different. And I've been into the buns lately. They've been giving summer vibes, and units like Julia Hair, who already come pre-bleached and pre-plucked and stuff like that, I feel like those are the easiest ones to do updos because they look the most natural. So with highlighted wigs, I feel like women of color, the highlight kind of melts into our skin easier. This is literally fresh out the box. You guys are gonna see in the install, I took out the box and literally one layer of glue, sprayed it down, and literally just gathered it up and put it in a bun, and this is how it came out. I'm gonna take it down so you guys can see what it looks like down as far as like density and the length. Just to show you how versatile the wig is. So if you want to go for the dramatic down look, you definitely could. I was just feeling, like I said, the top knot. It's starting to feel good outside, so I feel like that was the vibe. Anyways, if you want to see how I achieved installing this, melting this beautiful highlighted unit, and then if you want to see how I achieved my easy, super beginner friendly, easy top knot bun with this wig, then just keep watching. This is not a 360, but we still put it in a bun because Julia is that girl. Period. Julia, thank you so much for sending this wig over. I really appreciate it. I'm so excited. This is giving sexy vibes. It's very versatile. What you want? A bun? You want down? You want half up, half down? What you want? Anyways, let's get into the video.
Never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're missing. Feelings in my heart, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're missing. Feelings in my heart. How much you're messing with me? 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 Do 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 do, yeah. Do 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 do. One step forward, 2 steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show? Take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? Yeah. Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? feeling lonely by yourself. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Time's about run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to